offset filter in Apple Motion. You can find the offset filter here on the filters, styling, and offset. So the offset filter shifts the image contents of an object horizontally and vertically. Let's apply. Once applied, the offset filter will be the same length as the layer it is applied to. The offset filter contains a few parameters that we can adjust. We have the horizontal offset and the vertical offset. Lastly, we have the mix. It's the percentage of blending between the offset filter and the layer it is applied to. You can alternately think of it as the turn on or turn off of the filter. You will notice that if you apply the offset filter on your layer, it will be the same as the layer's bounding box. For example, here on my layer, currently the scale of the layer is at 62, so it only occupies this one. If we go to our layer itself and change to pixel resolution, we will have a much bigger offset space like this. Let's reset this. And you will also notice that because our layer is 62, it will result in something like this, which is not ideal. So it's better to have our layer same width and height with our composition. Now if we animate or adjust our horizontal and vertical offset, it will look much better. So that's how to use the offset filter in Apple Motion.